Hi guys, welcome to my beauty. Today we're doing stuff for cellulite. Yeah, so we're gonna do like coffee stuff. Yep. So first we're gonna do a coffee scrub for cellulite. Now this won't get rid of your cellulite, but it will reduce the appearance of cellulite. So, but I ain't making no promises. So first we're gonna start off with, we have some coffee and some brown sugar. Brown sugar just for extra exfoliation, darling. And what the coffee does, it kind of like increases your blood circulation to reduce the appearance of cellulite. So that's what that's for. And we're gonna mix that together. Probably better with my hands because yep, that's better actually. All right, so we got that all mixed together, and we got some unrefined coconut oil. Now coconut oil is very hydrating, and it also has antibacterial properties. We're gonna put that in there, stir it up, and use more or less depending on your preference. All right, and then we're gonna add some vitamin E oil. Now vitamin E oil helps rejuvenate skin cells. And y'all know I don't have measurements, so y'all just go whatever the hell you feel like it. All right, and that's it for your coffee brown sugar scrub for cellulite. And now we're gonna do something else. Yeah, bye. Okay guys, we're back, and now we're doing a body oil for cellulite. So this, you can put this on like before you put your lotion on or whatever, or not, or you know, it's whatever. But I got some coffee infused coconut oil right here, and what I did to make this, I just let some coffee grounds soak in coconut oil for about a week, and then I just strained it in a cheesecloth, and that's about it. That's how you make that. So we're gonna pour this in here. I should have got a funnel, but I didn't. And adding vitamin E, as always, darling. Not as always, but y'all know what I mean. And right here, I got some essential oils that are good for cellulite. There's more of these that you can use, but I just chose these three. So we got grapefruit, lemon, I can get this off, and sage. And there's a couple more, but if you want, I'll list those in the description box, and you can mix those up however you want. And just shake that up. Yep. And yep, just put this on, like I said, before you put on lotion, or you can just use it at night before you go to bed, or you can use it however. Yeah. But anyway, we're going to the next one. Okay guys, we're back, and now we're gonna do a lotion for cellulite. So here I have my mixture, and I already did it just to speed it up, but just to let you know, we just took a bowl of really hot water with the measuring cup, and we added cocoa butter, shea butter, emulsifying wax, and some vitamin E oil. I think I got it all. Yeah. Okay, and then we just let that melt. So it's kind of like creating a double boiler. So then I'm going to add some water here just so it'll be creamy. We're going to take our handy dandy. This is actually what do you call it? Like an espresso frother or something. But anyway, it's what I use. And you're just going to do this. And it's going to get like that. Now this is going to actually cream up a little more, but I just wanted to show you how you blend it together. But as it sits, it's going to be a little bit more creamy. And then we're just going to pour it into here, and I'll show y'all that when it's done. But for now, that's it for this video. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Love you.